This gives me a much more structured way to create an AI video while keeping my story, characters, locations, and props consistent from beginning to end. To get started, over on the left-hand side, let's click into Tools, and here you'll see all sorts of different tools. Let's scroll down to the prompting category, and right here, you'll see Storyboard Studio. Let's click on that. First, you can choose your storyboard style. I'll go with realistic, and then let's click on Get Started. Here, you can either paste in a video script, or at the bottom, you can simply describe the type of video you'd like to create. I want to make a documentary about baking the world's largest chocolate chip cookie, and over here, let's run. Google Flow generates an initial script. Right up on top, we have the title. We also have scenes. Here we have some dialogue, and it even calls out transitions between all the different scenes. Now, I could come in here and edit any part of the script, or down at the bottom, I could also use the prompt box to refine it further. So up on top, let's switch into assets. Here, we can see all the assets used throughout the script. We have all the different characters. Here we have the locations, and then we also have the props. Now, you'll notice it doesn't actually show any images. That's because we haven't yet generated them. So right up on top, let's click on AutoFill characters to use AI to pull up an initial draft. These look great. It's now generated all the different characters. Here we have all the different locations featured in the video, and we also have all the different props. If I want to make any changes, I could simply click on an asset, and over here I see the name and the visual description, and I could update that. And then down below, I can create a new image. So up on top, let's switch into the storyboard. Just like we did before, let's generate all the different images. I'll click here. Google Flow now creates a visual storyboard for the entire video using all of the assets that we generated in the previous step. Since everything references the same characters, locations, and props, they stay consistent throughout the storyboard. On the left-hand side, let's click into All Media. Here, you'll find all the storyboard images. From here, I can start building my video. I can right-click on any image, and here I could animate it, or I could add it to a prompt to use it as reference when generating a video clip. This gives me a much more structured way to create an AI video while keeping my story, characters, locations, and props consistent from beginning to end.